Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Our number one pick is Clorox Swimming Pool Scale. One of the biggest issues pool owners face is metal stains caused by iron, copper and other metals in the water. This formula actively binds to metals, preventing them from oxidizing and staining your pool surfaces. Prevents brown, green or blue stains from metals. Stops unsightly scale buildup on pool walls and surfaces. Keeps water looking clear and clean. Whether you have a chlorine, saltwater or mineral pool, this product is safe to use. It won't interfere with your pool's chemistry when used as directed. Works in chlorine, salt water and mineral pools. Safe for all pool surfaces, including plaster, vinyl and fiberglass. Helps extend the life of your pool equipment. Pool owners dealing with metal stains or scale buildup. Anyone with well water or high metal content in their pool water. Those looking for an easy, hassle-free way to prevent staining. People who want to protect their pool's surfaces and equipment. If your pool already has metal stains, this product helps remove them over time with regular use. Simply follow the dosing instructions. Our second best pool tile cleaner is EasyCare Scaletec Plus Descaler and Stain Remover. One of the standout features of Scaletec Plus is its ability to break down even the toughest scale deposits. Over time, pools accumulate calcium and mineral buildup, which can be difficult to remove manually. This product dissolves scale gradually, restoring surfaces, tile, and pool walls to their original appearance. Removes stubborn white calcium scale. Breaks down hard water deposits and buildup. Restores tile, plaster, fiberglass, and vinyl pool surfaces. Besides removing existing stains, this product also improves water clarity and helps prevent new scale from forming. If you struggle with cloudy water due to calcium hardness, this can make a noticeable difference. Enhances water clarity for a clean, fresh look. Prevents new scale formation with regular use. Reduces metal stains that cause unsightly discoloration. Measure the correct dosage based on your pool size. Refer to. Third choice in our list is Bio-Dex number 300 Tile Cleaner. Keeping your pool tiles clean and free of stubborn stains, scale and grime can be a challenge, especially in areas with hard water buildup. The Bio-Dex number 300 Tile Cleaner is designed to tackle tough calcium deposits, oils and mineral stains on pool and spa tiles with ease. This professional grade cleaner is a must-have for pool owners looking to restore their tile's original shine without excessive scrubbing. Unlike some tile cleaners that require aggressive scrubbing, Bio-Dex number 300 does most of the work for you. Just apply it to the affected area, let it sit for a short period, and then wipe or scrub lightly to see results. Reduces the need for heavy scrubbing. Fast-acting formula saves time and effort. Helps restore tiles to their original shine. This feature is particularly useful for busy pool owners who want an effective cleaner that doesn't require hours of work. Using Bio-Dex number 300 is simple. Apply the cleaner directly to the stained or scaled area. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down the deposits. Scrub lightly with a brush or sponge. Rinse thoroughly with water. Regular use can help prevent buildup and maintain a sparkling, clean pool appearance. One of the standout qualities of Bio-Dex number 300 Tile Cleaner is its ability to break down thick calcium deposits and hard water stains. If you've noticed unsightly white scale buildup on your pool tiles, this cleaner dissolves it quickly and effectively. Breaks down stubborn calcium scale and deposits. Number 4 in our side is Pool-Whiz Pumice Block Pool Tile and Concrete Cleaner. If you're looking for a manual but effective way to keep your pool tiles and concrete areas spotless, this 2-pack of pumice blocks is an affordable and practical choice. The Pool-Whiz Pumice Block by Billy Buckskin Co. is an excellent choice for pool owners who want a chemical-free way to remove tough stains. While it requires some manual effort, it's highly effective at tackling calcium deposits, rust stains, and other stubborn buildups that can make your pool look dirty. For a budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and effective pool cleaning tool, this pumice block delivers great results without damaging pool tiles or concrete surfaces when used correctly. Using the Pool-Whiz pumice block is as simple as wet the pumice block and the surface you're cleaning to prevent scratching. Gently scrub the stained area using a circular motion. Rinse the area with water after scrubbing. Comfortable size for a secure grip while scrubbing. Soften slightly when wet to prevent tile damage. Doesn't leave residue behind in the pool. This manual cleaning method requires effort, but it's worth it for those stubborn stains that chemical cleaners can't fully remove. Pool owners dealing with hard water stains, calcium deposits, or algae buildup. Those looking for a non-toxic, eco-friendly cleaning solution. Last in our top 5 best pool tile cleaner list is LayorCare Heavy Calcium Releaser. If you have a pool, spa, or rock water feature, you've probably dealt with the frustration of hard water stains and calcium buildup. These white chalky deposits can make your pool tiles, decks, and stone surfaces look aged and dirty. Enter LayorCare Heavy Calcium Releaser, a powerful professional-grade cleaner designed to remove calcium deposits from pool tiles, natural stone, rock water features, and decks without causing damage. I tested this product on my pool tiles and stone deck, and the results were impressive. Below is a detailed breakdown of my experience. Unlike some harsh cleaners that can damage delicate surfaces, this formula is designed to be safe for pool tiles, stone decks, waterfalls, and even rock water features. Works on ceramic, glass, stone, and concrete. Non-damaging formula, no etching or discoloration. Great for both indoor and outdoor use. I used it on my natural stone deck and waterfall, and it cleaned beautifully without stripping the surface or leaving any discoloration. Pool owners struggling with hard water stains and calcium buildup. Anyone with stone water features, rock waterfalls, or decks. Those looking for an effective, safe, and easy-to-use calcium remover. LayorCare. Heavy Calcium Releaser is formulated to break down and remove heavy calcium deposits that form due to hard water and pool chemicals.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.